Hello everybody, it's Brittany again, and I wanted to hop on here really quick. I only have like 8 minutes before I have to go pick up my son from preschool, so I wanted to hop on here really quick and do a quick demo of one of the Kreate-It kits that I posted late last night / this morning. And so this is the makeup bag, the clutch bag Kreate-It kit. So with this kit, it's $25. You're going to get a full size, this is a small size jar. So you're gonna get, don't pay attention to the color, but you're gonna get a full 3-ounce jar of black chalk paste, which is gonna last you a long time, trust me. You're going to get an A-size transfer. It says I woke up like this, beautiful with the little lips and the eyelashes. And you can cut this apart and use whichever pieces of it you want. You're also going to get your little makeup bag or pencil pouch, whatever you want to use it for. So I'm just gonna do a quick little demo for you guys so you can see what the project is like. And then if you're interested in it, go to the Kreate-It Kit post and just comment below. So I'm going to use the little eyelashes. So the first time I use it, I'm gonna just press it up on my shirt or my pant leg or something and just get a little bit of fuzz on it. I do have a little piece of cut up ink mat in here. I think this project is small enough that as long as this is not like super wrinkly and as long as your stencil sticks well, you should be fine. If you have like a piece of cardboard to stick inside, that would be good too, just so in case it bleeds through, it doesn't go through to the other side. So if you don't have an ink mat, that's okay. If you have like an old Cricut mat or a silhouette mat, you can always use those too. And then I'm gonna do the I woke up like this part. Oops. I'm gonna put that up here actually. And I'm gonna move this part, the little eyelashes. And you can place it wherever you want. I think the picture that I posted had an example. I'm not gonna use the lips. So the cool thing about the Kreate-It kits is that you get a full size jar of paste or ink. So you can use the kits to kind of build up your color palette of what you have for inks and paste, things like that. And then obviously these transfers are reusable. So when you're done, just wash it, rinse it with water, wipe both sides of it with a Clorox wipe, let it air dry, and then put it back on the backing papers. When you do this, a lot of times, some people, they will mark, of course it's not gonna work with my pen, you might have to use a marker or a Sharpie. They'll write back on the back side so they know which side to put the transfer back on. So yeah, my pen's not working. So just make sure you remember that when you're done with it, the transfer goes back on the shiny side, not the matte side. Otherwise you won't get it off of there. All right, if you need a squeegee, squeegees are $3. And I'm offering those separately because if you buy a kit once, you're probably not gonna need a whole bunch more squeegees. You're gonna get one of the bigger ones. This is one that I just cut in half. So you're gonna get this size squeegee for $3. All right, here we go. Let's start with, we're gonna start here at the bottom. Doesn't take a lot of ink at all. So when I say that that 3-ounce jar of ink is gonna last you a long time, it's gonna last you a long time. You could make like 40 of these and you probably would still have ink left over. Just make sure you don't get ink on any other part. Like I'm getting kind of close there because it is permanent. It is not like the chalk paste. You are probably not going to get that out if you get it on the other part of the bag. All right, let's close up my ink. I broke my lid. It's not drying out, so that's good. All right. I'm gonna get a paper towel here. Somewhere. Oh, they're there. Just to set this down because I don't want it to get all over my table. So there's beautiful. There's the eyelashes. This would be a fun project to do with kids, with little girls. I think like birthday party would be a lot of fun. There you go. And then I'll go wash those here in a second. So this is an example of your makeup bag, pencil bag, clutch, whatever you want to call it, Kreate-It Kit. So again, they're $25, comes with the bag, it comes with the transfer, which you can wash and reuse, and then it comes with a full 3-ounce Couture ink, and it comes with black. So, and if you need a squeegee, it's an extra $3. If you need me to ship it, shipping, I believe is an extra $3. I don't know if I wrote that on there. So I'll take a look at that if you need shipping. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of an idea of what that Kreate-It Kit is all about. I will be doing demos on the other 2 Kreate-It Kits hopefully this weekend. But until then, if you have questions, let me know. Have a good day and have a good weekend.